Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about again Jasmy coin. First, I wish a very good weekend, have a happy Easter, and let's dive straight into the chart. But before we start, guys, ladies, do me a big favor. I would really appreciate it if we can reach as fast as possible 300 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and with that being said, let's dive straight into this content for today. Here on the daily chart for Jasmy, you can see Jasmy bounced now a little bit, found here at this area some kind of support. This is actually because of this one here. That was a previous support, resistance, support, and now again support. So if this support will hold and will bring Jasmy to this resistance line, that could lead into a breakout of this triangle. But if this support will not hold, as I told you all the time, in my opinion, it's likely that Jasmy coin will retest this support line here again at 0.01. But wait, if this really holds, if I told you this is a possible scenario that it will break out and see a pump of 160%. Also, I have now here the MACD. You can see here at this point the red line crossed the blue line, so that leads into this downtrend, and now it looks like that it could curve a little bit. But wait, if it's really if you see a confirmation that the blue line cross again over the red line, so that could be a nice little uptrend, so all the way up here. Let's do shortly here a Fibonacci retracement level. What does that say? So the golden pocket would be here at 0.037. And we can do another one. Like this. So for right now, bounced here nearly at the 786 Fibonacci level. Maybe it comes to retest the golden pocket. That would be confluence with this resistance line. So guys, ladies, wait, watch for confirmations. If you see a confirmation, of course you can trade this in a long position or a short position. If you like, use my links in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix or Bybit. Links in the description. You will get a huge bonus depending on your first initial deposit. With that being said, guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. As always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out, guys and ladies. Happy Easter.